Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so this video is all about neutral planet Mercury. Mercury is the planet of business, planet of communication, planet of creativity, planet of business acumen, planet of intellect and communication. So the people with strong Mercury in their horoscope, so they can able to be as an intelligent and smart workers, and most importantly they are very clever in nature. And also Mercury plus Jupiter conjunction makes a business magnet. You can emerge as a business magnet, and also the magnetic personality, you can able to influence the people with your communication and public speaking skills. And people follow you as a role model because they consider you as a wisdomized and knowledgeable person. And most importantly, Mercury plus Saturn conjunction in the 10th and 11th houses, you will succeed very well in your business out of good fortune, especially Saturn plus Mercury conjunction in the ninth house, and it is free from the malefics, that is Mars, Rahu and Ketu. Then you can able to make very good wealth through foreign countries as well, through the long distance journeys. And most importantly, you'll be getting multiple sources of income from different places, from different areas of your life, especially Saturn plus Mercury conjunction in the first house, fifth house, seventh, ninth, and 10th and 11th houses. You can able to make money from the multiple sources of income. And Mercury is a planet of business, and most importantly, Mercury conjunction with Jupiter and Saturn is really plus point because Mercury goes friendly with Saturn especially. Mercury plus Saturn conjunction in the seventh house also brings prosperity through partnerships, business partnerships, because Mercury is the planet of communication. With your communication, you can able to influence the people in all the ways. And in the Mercury is favorable in the houses first house, third house, fourth, fifth houses, sixth, seventh, 10th, and 11th houses. And whereas Mercury becomes negative in the second house, fourth house, eighth house, ninth, and 12th houses, especially in the eighth house and also in the 12th house. It brings so much of losses, obstacles, and liabilities, expenses, and all. Okay, and Rahu's conjunction with Mercury, it makes Mercury into a negative state. You have problems in terms of communication. You cannot able to reach out to the audience with your message, and also there will be a lot of business losses, especially Mercury and Ketu conjunction also brings a lot of business losses, especially in the third house, sixth house, eighth, and 12th houses. And most importantly, the placement of Mercury denotes your business acumen, whether you can able to flourish in the business. Just by looking at the placement of Mercury, we can able to come into a conclusion. And also placement of Jupiter and Venus also has to be analyzed. So anyways, this video is pertaining to Mercury. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and this is just a short bite video. Please do watch other videos pertaining to planet Mercury. I have spoke about in various concepts related to Mercury plus Jupiter conjunction and Mercury plus Venus conjunction. Please do watch those videos as well, because I've shared so much of knowledge into it. And if at all you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe right away and click on that like button and click on that subscribe button. Next to that subscribe button, you will see a bell icon. Please do subscribe on that as well. And most importantly, you can able to make very good wealth, especially from the foreign lands, if at all you have Saturn plus Mercury conjunction in the 7th and 11th houses. Okay, and that's it for today, and have a nice day. And if at all you need my consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Please do send the order so that I can able to provide you complete analysis about your birth chart, and also we can able to help you in terms of what kind of careers you can able to take up, what kind of businesses you can able to take up, and where the wealth will be coming in your life, what point of time wealth will be coming, what point of time you undergo business losses. Losses of so many areas of your life can also be revealed from by checking your birth chart. Okay, thank you.